we'll take our Paddle and Sky and put her in the microwave and see what we get. Hop in the microwave, Sky. Here she goes. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, it's a merpup Sky. She's so pretty, she's got a mermaid tail. Let's see how it works. We'll crank this up right over here and watch her tail fin move. Wow, so cool. Let's see how she looks in the water. Oh wow, look at Sky go. Doesn't she look good in the water? She's swimming like a mermaid. Wow, way to go, Sky. Next, let's put in our Zuma squirter. I wonder what we'll get from Zuma. We'll put him in our microwave. Here you go, Zuma. All right, let's get Zuma out and see what happened. Oh my goodness, he turned into a merpup also. He's got this really cool orange fin. Let's see how it works. We'll wind him up right over here on the side and watch his tail fin. Wow, look at Zuma's tail go. Now let's watch Zuma in the water. Whoa, way to go, Zuma. That looks great. You're such a good merpup swimmer. I like the way you swim like a mermaid. Now we've got a Rocky squirter. All right, let's get Rocky in the microwave and see what happens. Here you go, Rocky. Oh, let's see what we have here. It's another Rocky merpup. Look at him. He's got a green fin. Wow, Rocky looks cool. Let's watch his fin move. We'll wind him up. And watch that tail fly. Wow, oh, he just got Zuma. Rocky, that wasn't very nice. All right, let's see Rocky swim. Whoa, Rocky, good swimming. You really look good in the water. Wow, look at that. Go, Rocky, go. Let's put these jelly beans into our mixer and see what we get. Let's mix them up. Let's try the microwave and see what happens. Let's get our jelly beans inside. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, what do we have now? What is this? Oh, it looks like a little Minion surprise egg. Let's open it up. Ooh, it's a chocolate surprise egg. Let's get this chocolate off the outside and see what's inside of our egg. Here goes our chocolate. Now we'll open our egg. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at this. Let's check out what we have. Look at all the little Minion puzzles. Really cute. Let's open up ours. Here he is. Oh my goodness, looks like he's concentrating very hard. Let's see him rock back and forth. Wow, look at him go. So super cute. Let's put some more jelly beans into our mixer. We'll get it turned on. All right, now let's put them into the microwave. Into the microwave they go. And we'll set our time. Oh wow, what kind of surprise do we have now? This is so neat. It's a Mickey Mouse collectible minifigure. All right, let's see who we've got. Whoa, it's Minnie Mouse. Look how cute she is in her red dress with white polka dots and matching bow. And she's on this really nice stand. Oh, Minnie, you look so cute. So much fun. How about more jelly beans in our mixer? And we'll turn it on. Now into the microwave. Can't wait to see what happens. What do we have now? Oh wow, it's a Hello Kitty minifigure. Let's see who's inside. All right, here's what we've got. Time to open it up. I can't imagine which one we have. Come on out, Kitty. Oh, look at this one. She almost looks like a little pretty princess or even a little ballerina. She's got a pink dress and a purple crown. I even think she's doing a little curtsy. Very cute, Hello Kitty. Let's get all of our toy surprises into our microwave. We have our Minnie Mouse, Hello Kitty, and our Minion. Into the microwave they go. Oh my goodness, we got our jelly beans back. Look at that. Thanks, Toy Surprises. Wow, they're so colorful. Let's start with this red strawberry. Let's cut it in half and then put it in. Be very careful. I cut it into 2 pieces. Now we can put it in our microwave. Let's get our microwave open. We'll set our strawberry inside. Closing it. And let's get it cooking. Oh, let's see what we got in here. Whoa, it popped right out. What is this? It's a red Crayola bath gel pen. Let's see how it looks when we write with it. I'll twist the cap and then see how it works. Let's see. Whoa, that is so much fun. Super cool. Let's get something else in our microwave. How about this nice juicy green pear? I'll just slice it up with my knife in 2 pieces. Yum. All right, let's put it in the microwave and see what comes out. We'll open our door and in it goes. Ready to cook up. Oh, let's see what we got this time. It rolled out again. It's a green Crayola bath gel pen. Twist it open. Let's see how this green one looks. Wow, it's really light and kind of see-through. That is so much fun to do. Let's see what happens when we put these purple grapes inside of our microwave. They're much bigger, but I can still cut them in half. Wow. All right, my purple grapes are going in the microwave. There you go. You stay put. And off we go. Okay, what's in our microwave this time? Oh right, a purple Crayola bath gel pen. I can't wait to try it out. I just have to twist open the top. Let's see what the purple looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, it's kind of clear like the green. So easy to use and really pretty. Now I've got this orange egg to put inside of my microwave. Let's crack it open, see if anything's inside. Oh, it's empty. All right, well, in the microwave you go. Let's see. In goes a cracked egg. What will come out? Okay, let's see what happened. Hey, our egg got put back together again. Huh, I wonder if anything's inside of it. Let's listen. I don't really hear anything. Let's crack the egg open and see if anything's inside. Oh my goodness, what is this? It's like a real little egg. Do you see that yolk inside? It's floating around. How cool is that? Now we're gonna put this Rocky inside of our microwave, but he's not ready quite yet. I'm gonna put this McDonald's hat on him. Doesn't that look cute? All right, Rocky, in the microwave you go. Are you ready to have some fun in there? Okay, here you go. Oh, look who it is. Ah, somebody get me out of here. I don't like small spaces. Oh, okay, Rocky, don't worry. I'll get you out of there. Oh, sorry about that. But you sure do look cute as a little merpup. I see your little fin back here. How about you show us how you swim? All right, let's see you swim. Whoa, look how cool he looks swimming in the water. That's so neat, Rocky. I love the way you use that merpup tail to paddle your way around. Now let's put some M&Ms on our blender and see what we get. Here's some blue M&Ms and some yellow ones, green, orange, red, and brown. Let's put on the lid and mix them up. Alright, well let's try those M&Ms in our microwave. I'll just take them out of the blender and pour them into our cup. Alright, they're so colorful. Into the microwave they're gonna go. Right there. Okay, let's see what we get. What did we get from our magical microwave? Oh, wow, look at this. It's a Series 2 My Little Pony Squishy Pop. Can't wait to see who it is. Let's get it open. All right, got it. And I can just pull this open. Oh my goodness, I feel so lucky. We got a crystal Pinkie Pie. Oh, wow. She is so translucent and I can see the two different color pinks. Let's try her out and see if she pops. I'll try her here. And here. And here. Look at Pinkie Pie stick to our microwave. All right, we're gonna take our little heart and put it back into our microwave. Let's see. Oh, look at that! We got our M&Ms back. Looks like we get to have a tasty treat.